Doge fam, welcome back to the channel. This is Jacob and this is the first video on the channel. So if you're invested in Dogecoin, if you're interested in investing in Dogecoin, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, tick that bell notification icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video for you talking about Dogecoin, old and latest updates. I'm gonna be multiple times a day, so let's get straight to it. So today we're gonna talk about the Dogecoin millionaire that he said I'm not selling. So Contesado basically said that he wanted to find something that would change his fortune overnight, and he found it in a joke. That's what he said. And his friend said, "You're crazy. What are you doing? It's a joke coin. It's a meme and it's going to crash." But what happened was amazing. He basically maxed out all his credit cards and he tried to basically buy Dogecoin. And all basically all what he invested was $250,000, and he came out with $2 million. That's really amazing to hear, and this is really awesome. So this guy is not somebody that been investing in basically the stock market or investing in cryptocurrency regularly. He's just that average Joe, right? He basically worked in a media company, work in a hip hop media company. He's a hip hop fan as well. So all he does basically, he went and he bought some Dogecoin, guys, $250,000. He maxed out his credit card. People thought he's crazy, and he was able to get out with $2 million, guys. This is crazy. So he said memes are the language of the millennials, and we're going to have a meme match with the currency. So he really believed 100% right now in Dogecoin, obviously after being able to make this kind of money from $250,000. And like I said, guys, what I always say is Dogecoin is for everybody. If you have $50, if you have $1,000, if you have $500, whatever the much money you have right now, you'll be able to invest in Dogecoin. I'm not a financial advisor. What I've done back in February, I've invested $200, and my $200 turned into $1,000, and I'm still investing obviously in Dogecoin. I like Dogecoin. It's an awesome basically currency backed by big names like Elon Musk, backed by Mark Cuban, and obviously backed by a lot of events that's going to happen in the future, like the Coinbase listing in the next 6 to 8 weeks, which is going to be really awesome to hear, and many more catalysts basically coming into the picture. So it's really awesome to see what's gonna happen. And basically what he said also, he was into the GameStop, right? So he started with the GameStop, and he was browsing Reddit when he saw a post about Dogecoin. And obviously he heard it from Elon Musk, the man, the myth, the legend, right? He's the one who's basically trying to defend, right, Dogecoin. He's trying to talk about Dogecoin all the time, and he's gonna make it the currency of the future, the currency of the people, right? So this is what he does. And he said that Dogecoin jokey, approachable joke might make it the next GameStop. Because if you look at other basically cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Litecoin, they all look like super high-tech and futuristic, but Dogecoin look like the currency of the people. So yeah, there guys, so this basically what he does. He invested $250,000 and he came out with $2 million, and it can happen to anybody. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. You have to understand that investing is just something risky, but I'm trying to provide you with a lot of facts. This is what's going to be happening here on the channel. I'm going to be updating you multiple times a day, talking about Dogecoin, talking about the new catalyst that's coming into the picture, so you can make informed decision about Dogecoin. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to be coming with another update in the next couple of hours, so stay tuned.